Tip 1. Understand basic commands. Just like any other technological device, Alexa works using specific commands. Seniors need to learn the basic skills necessary to communicate with Alexa, such as asking for the time, weather updates, or news headlines. Practicing these commands regularly can help beginners get familiar with the voice assistant. Tip 2. Use Alexa as a reminder tool. Most seniors have regular medications or appointments to keep up with. Alexa can act as a personal assistant by setting reminders for these tasks. By clearly stating the time and nature of the reminders, Alexa will provide alert notifications. Tip 3. Learn to play music through Alexa. Music can be a great source of joy and relaxation for many seniors. Learning about the various commands to play music, change stations, or even switch off can be a very useful skill to accrue. Tip 4. Enable drop-in feature. Alexa devices offer a feature called Drop-in, which enables family members or friends to connect with seniors directly, acting as a valuable tool for safety and convenience. However, it's recommended getting permission before enabling this feature due to privacy reasons. Tip 5. Install useful skills. Alexa comes with a number of skills or apps including audiobooks, interactive games, and even health advice apps. Familiarizing oneself with these skills and installing those that will be useful can greatly enhance the experience for a senior user. Tip 6. Utilize home automation. For seniors with mobility issues, learning how to connect Alexa to home automation systems like lighting, heating, or security system can offer comfort and ease in day-to-day life. It's worth noting that some technical assistance may be required for setting up. Tip 7. Use Alexa for entertainment. Apart from music, seniors can ask Alexa to tell jokes, narrate stories, or provide fun facts, acting as an entertainment source. Tip 8. Use voice purchasing with care. Alexa allows users to make purchases with voice commands. While convenient, it can also lead to unintentional purchases, so seniors should be informed about the feature and carefully instructed on using it. Tip 9. Adjust Alexa's speaking speed. Some seniors may struggle with their hearing or processing information. Alexa allows its users to adjust the speaking speed of the device to accommodate individual needs. Tip 10. Leverage the help command. If seniors are stuck or can't remember a specific command, they can simply say, "Alexa, help," and the device will offer assistance. Tip 11. Consider privacy settings. Privacy is a significant concern for many. Seniors must be informed about Alexa's capacity to record and store voice commands and taught to periodically check and clear their voice history.